Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today, we are going to be talking about getting more sales on our low content books. And the way that I like to do that is to bring back those customers who have already purchased from me. I love repeat customers. I like to build a happy family. It makes me feel better, it makes my business flow better. So, I know it's easy for the person to, well, I'm not even going to say easy. I know they can find your books by going to their order and looking you up, but that's not convenient for a customer. Customers like convenience. I know me as a customer, I don't want to go back to my order history and then click on who did this and try to search up where I got this from. I want to click one button and I'm there and I can get what I want. So I'm going to show you how to get those repeat customers to come back, and all you need is the back cover of your low content book or an interior page. Me personally, I like to do this on the back cover. That's just me. But we're going to be creating QR codes, and it's 2022. 2023 is right around the corner, literally. And QR codes are the one of the new it things. So we've got to get with the times and embrace QR codes. We say this our customer has finished this gratitude journal and you want to bring them back to get another one. This is what we do. I'm going to show you right here. This is on Canva. I do everything on Canva. I'm going to show you how to get to the QR code section. So I'm just going to click here just so I can show you how to get back to where I was just at. So we simply scroll all the way down, all the way down to the bottom and click on apps. Right there under the popular tab, it may not be the same for you. It may not be under popular for you. I'm not sure, but it will be on this different list, this different selection of apps. QR code is right here, and it's right here under popular. Maybe popular for me because I use it a lot. But you simply click it, and you see right here there's a box for you to enter a URL. So we're going to go back to where our book is, and if you don't want to, you can get this link to send them back to this exact page. But for me, what I want them to see everything I've created. So right here under your author name, click it, and it's going to send you to your author page. Now we are on our author page. This is where all of our books under this pen name that we have chosen, this is where we're going to find them. See, this author here has created several books, and we want to send our customers to everything so they can maybe pick out 2 or 3 books. You never know. All you do is simply go up here to where the URL is, click it. I'm going to copy this link. And if you don't know how to copy a link, all you do is hit Control and C to copy it. Now we're going to go back to our Canva page, and in this URL box we're going to push Control and V to paste it. And now I'm going to adjust the margins on this a little bit. The margins at 1 so it'll have a little white box around it, and you simply generate QR code. It's very simple. Very, very simple. Doesn't take long. You can see there is our barcode. And I always put my logo on my books as well. Try to center it. For text, so I can tell them exactly what I want them to know. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger because it's kind of hard for me to see right now. I'm just going to say scan for more from, and then my logo is right there. I'm not going to change the text or anything because this is just an example, so I'm not really worried about how the font looks right now. Scan for more from, and then there's my logo. Quick, easy, simple. You can make it a little bit smaller if this is too big, or you can put it down here in the left corner. We don't want it to be where the barcode is going to be if you have a barcode. I like to center it or put it in the left corner. It looks better on the left corner to me, so I'm going to put it there and there. Now we have a way that we can bring customers back to our Amazon shop, and hopefully we can get some repeat customers. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop another video. Till then, be blessed.